In today's fast-paced retail market, time is a vital resource and efficiency is critical for corporate success. Shopify POS recognizes the value of optimizing operations and provides a powerful set of automation options that enable businesses to automate repetitive procedures and optimize their workflows. Automation in Shopify POS transforms how merchants work, from inventory management to order processing and customer relations. In this video, we will look at the relevance and benefits of automation in Shopify POS, demonstrating how it increases efficiency, production, and ultimately the bottom line. Inventory management made simple. Efficient inventory management is critical for merchants to maintain ideal stock levels, avoid stockouts, and reduce overstock situations. Shopify POS's automation tools make inventory management easier by automating various operations. Retailers can set up automatic low stock alerts to get warnings when inventory levels fall below predefined thresholds. This enables shops to take proactive actions to replace things before they run out, lowering the risk of missed sales opportunities and unsatisfied customers. Furthermore, automation in Shopify POS allows for easy inventory syncing across numerous sales channels. Retailers can ensure that inventory levels are automatically updated and synchronized across physical locations, online platforms, and marketplaces. This removes the need for human inventory adjustments and decreases the probability of overselling or stock inconsistencies. Streamlined order processing. Order processing efficiency is crucial for creating a seamless customer experience and reducing delays. The automation tools of Shopify POS optimize order processing by automating numerous operations during the fulfillment process. Order confirmation emails, for example, can be automatically sent to consumers as soon as an order is placed, keeping them informed and reassured about their purchase. Furthermore, shipping labels can be generated automatically, saving retailers time and effort while preparing shipments. Automation also simplifies the fulfillment process by interfacing with third-party logistics providers or in-house fulfillment centers. Retailers can set up rules and triggers to automatically distribute orders to specific fulfillment centers based on parameters such as location or product availability. This simplifies the order routing procedure and ensures order fulfillment on schedule. Personalized customer communications. Effective customer communication is essential for developing strong relationships and increasing client loyalty. The automation features of Shopify POS enable retailers to automate tailored customer conversations, assuring consistent and timely engagements. Automated email marketing campaigns can be built to engage with clients at various points of the customer journey. Retailers, for example, can set up automatic welcome emails for new customers, abandoned cart recovery emails to re-engage potential consumers, and post-purchase follow-up emails to collect feedback and encourage repeat purchases. Furthermore, automation enables merchants to segment their consumer base and provide targeted messaging. Retailers can send personalized advice, special offers, or birthday greetings to certain consumer segments by leveraging customer data and purchasing history. This level of personalization increases customer engagement, builds loyalty, and encourages repeat purchases. Reporting and analytics. Automation in Shopify POS extends beyond operational efficiency. It also provides shops with useful insights via complete reporting and analytics. Retailers can create automated reports that provide a comprehensive view of critical performance parameters such as sales trends, inventory turnover, and consumer behavior. By automating the development and transmission of these reports, retailers may save time and receive quick access to vital data. These data enable retailers to make more informed decisions, discover areas for improvement, and optimize their strategy for optimal profitability.